Hello, everybody. It's a booty, and welcome back to another video. Today, it's not a regular day. Today, we will be making an Arctic wolf. So let's get started. I am a bunny for no apparent reason because I like. Oh God. Okay. No, don't even look at that. So what we have to do is we have to go to the art thing. Okay, so what you want to do is grab the black. You want to grab the black. Then what you want to do is you want to do a wolf head. Okay, let me get it started for you just a minute. I gotta get it perfect. Okay, well I didn't really record that, but you wanna go like do. Okay, next what you wanna do is go do this thing. So you wanna do the nose. Okay. And you wanna do this. And you want to do that, but I don't really like that, so I'll just move. You really want to try it to do together, but okay. If you want to do a top hat, you better stay the room, so you want to that in, that okay. And if you have girl eyes, just do the little thing, yeah, okay. So yeah. Then what you want to do is just connect it. There we go. Don't make it too flat. Here. There we go. Okay, that looks good. That looks really good. Okay. Next what you want to do is you want to do the ear. So let me just do it quickly. Good ear. Okay. Then what you want to do is keep it like that. Keep it. Don't touch anything. You want to do this. Do something like that. I don't really care. But okay. Why did I? Okay. Do you want music? If you do, then stop this muted right now. Okay. Next, you need to do the same thing. That. Okay. It looks really bad right now, but you'll get it. I'm gonna do a little smirk. That looks horrible. Oh God. Okay, I'm really bad at the smirk part. Okay, that's as good as I'll get right now. So what you want to do is you want to do that, then you want to put that down. Like that. Like that. Beautiful. Isn't it? Beautiful. So yeah, if you want to fill this in. Oh God. Okay, let me just quickly just do that. Okay, I guess. I'll have to erase it with the thing. Okay, so there we are. I know the eyes look really bad, but okay. So yeah. Okay. So then you want to draw the tail. I'm not really good at the tail, so don't judge me. Okay. The tail, and what you want to do is like that's the closest tail as I got. I'm surprised. Okay, so next, what you want to do? Okay, so what you want to do is you can pick a color, but I don't know. So you can color in the eyes, but I don't care. Then you want to do this, you can do that, but okay. I just quickly like do this. Okay, so that's what I do. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. Okay, what you want to do is then you want to turn off the iPad. What you want to do is you gotta pick your colors, cause that's no, that's not what you want to do. So right now I'm gonna do I don't know, a blue thing. Blue, bleh. Just a blue. Whoa. What about that? Yeah, okay. It's good. Okay. But you want to, like, do it a little bit. Okay, I think that's a good color. Yeah, that's a really good color. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Then you want to color it in right there. Right? So, boom! Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, I know it's beautiful. I know. It's just... Okay, then what you want to do, if you wanted to do a little bit lighter, like I'll do a little bit lighter, like that. Seriously, that is just, oh god. Yeah, okay. So I gotta redo this, just a minute. Yeah, okay. I'll go with that. We are back. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to add detail. I'm gonna draw a top hat because that is the most difficult one. I'm just gonna draw a really cute top hat. Pink top hat, I guess. I don't know if this is a real existing top hat, but okay. Let's draw this. This is as good as a top hat I can get, so don't judge me. Oh god. Love to. Daddy Nick. It's salsa right now. Salsa. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do it off the page because that sounds beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't this just beautiful? Well, I almost is running out of time. You can add more detail to the top hat if you want. I'm just gonna do a top hat and a spike really quickly because I don't really want to waste your guys' time of doing your artist stuff. So I'm quickly just gonna do a spike. It's not the best spike, but it's a spike. So just quickly, quickly just do that top hat thing. Yeah, I'm not wasting your guys' time. So this is what will happen when it's at the end. Okay, so yeah, this is what it will look like at the end if you do some stuff. So yeah, I randomly did this weird scullies right here. I don't know what they are, but oh well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't get to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.